sneakingly say, oh, I want a tripod, I want those lights, and your daughter just there listening and say, oh, I'm gonna surprise my mommy. And she did. Surprise. Hi guys, today I will be unboxing my Mother's Day gift. My Mother's Day was in May, but because of Corona, I did not get to leave my gift, so my gift came, so I decided to unbox it so that we both can be surprised at the same time, guys. Yeah, my Mother's Day gift from my daughter. Okay, I don't know what inside, so it's gonna be a surprise. Can't wait to unbox it. So I have here some pudding and ice cream. Gonna eat. And I have here some wine. I'm gonna cheers. Cheers to you. Cheers to my gift. What's the name of it? Yes. So today is the day, guys. So let's pour some of this wine in this glass here. It's strong enough. I'm not going to drink plenty. So cheers to new gift unboxing to me. So guys, let's eat some ice cream. It's melting before. Pudding. Guys, are you delicious? So are you ready, guys? I am ready. So here is the scissors. I'm sweating, I'm nervous. So let's go. I'm not sure what is in this, but I am assuming it's something that I wanted. Okay, are you assuming that with me, guys? So pretty this box is. Yeah, it's time to unbox it. So are you ready for the unboxing, guys? Are you ready? I am ready. Let's drink some water. It's not juice actually. It is wine. See it? This wine. Not touch. Yo, this one. It's a wine. Yes. So, let's remove this ribbon. Yes, the ribbon is off. Yes, let's remove this. Chalk. This is gonna be put aside. Let's start opening. drink some more. Right? Let's go again. It's coming. Still there with me? Yes. That's all I can see. UV size. Guys, I'm nervous. Are you nervous with me? I am so nervous. Yes, I am nervous. Let's drink again. Okay. Guys. This. What's this guys? Wow! I get a tripod. I get a tripod. I get a tripod. Get a. Woo. Guys, are you seeing this? Get a tripod. Guys, there's another box, so we are going to see what is inside this box. So let's put this aside. Okay, let's see what is in this box, guys. I'm sweating. Let's drink some more. Okay. Guys, are you thinking what I'm thinking? It feels wrong. So let's open up. Guys, I get a light. I get a light. I get a light. I get my light, guys. My daughter loves me. Yay! Thank you, Monique. My Mother's Day gift. Oh my God, I love her. I love it. I love it. I love it. I get my light, guys. I get my light. Light, guys. Whew. Wow. Wow. Wow, I don't know what to do with myself. I get my tripod, I get my light. So guys, let's drink some more wine. This calls for more wine and more wine. So guys, thank you all for coming over. Thank you for watching my unboxing. Mother's Day gift. Thank you. I love you. Remember to like, share, and subscribe this video, and please leave a comment below. Tell you what you think. Tell me what you think of my gift. And guys, remember to watch my other videos. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for coming over. I'm still smiling. More videos coming your way. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Monique. God bless you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you, Monique. Thank you. So guys, light and my tripod, more videos will be coming soon. So I want to thank my daughter Monique for my Mother's Day gift. I love him, I love him, I love him. Thank you. The wait was really worth it. Yeah. So guys, I thought I was finished. There's something else. There's something else in this little box. Let's see. Because I thought I was finished. Oh, it looks like the thing for the tripod. Yes. The things for the tripod. And there's a remote. Look guys, there's a remote. See, there's a remote, and this I'll soon find out what they are used for. And I'm assuming this is a part of the tripod. Yes, it looks like a part of it. Yes. So my beautiful lights. Look at the plug-in. It have a switch, plus, minus, power. Everything is on it. My beautiful lights. Yeah, so once again, thank you Monique. I have my instruction manual. I'm gonna use them this time. I do normally. Who else try to assemble a product without using the manual first? And when you reach a stage where you can't assemble it no more, you go to the manual. I do, yeah. So thank you Monique. This is a power cable, USB cable power manual. So I'm gonna make sure I read the manual first. Okay. I'm happy. Oh, some more wine. Thank you guys. Thank you for coming over. See, I'm getting my tools to serve you better. Yes. Thank you. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. This is your girl Ann checking out for this video for now. See you in my next video. Okay? Bye. Ooh. When you're sneakingly say, oh, I want a tripod, I want one of those lights, and your daughter just there listening and say, oh, I'm gonna surprise my mommy. And she did. Surprise. I love surprises. Guys, do you? I love surprises. Guys, I'm finally done with this unboxing. Look at it. But I'm happy, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Whew. I'm all set, guys. So the remote needs to be programmed now. Yes.